What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you're moving from Microsoft 365 to Google Workspace, here's how to migrate your emails quickly and securely. Firstly, sign into the Google Admin Console with your administrator account. Then go to Data, and then open Data Migration and click Setup Data Migration. For the migration source, choose Microsoft 365. Then select the type of data you want to migrate, such as email, contacts, or calendar. If you want to migrate multiple data types, repeat the process for each one. Choose Auto Select as the connection protocol, then click Authorize and sign in with your Microsoft 365 administrator account and grant the requested permissions. If your Microsoft account uses two-factor authentication, complete the verification. Return to the Google Admin Console and click Start. Choose the migration start date and select Users. To migrate a singles mailbox, click Add User. Enter the Microsoft 365 email address and then the matching Google Workspace email address. Then start the migration. And that's it. Your Microsoft 365 data is now being migrated to Google Workspace, making it easy to switch without losing your emails. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.